Hey, what's up YouTube? Aloha. Today I'm going to talk about the Logitech Craft. I just got it from Amazon. And Logicool is actually made in Japan, and also the Logitech is made in US. Actually it's a kind of rebranded. That's how it's called it. But actually some of the stuff is a little bit different, like interface, maybe the keyboard is some of the keyboard is Japanese, and also the Logitech is in English. So graph control you need, moment you need. There are a number of the things that I like. This you can control this area where there are number of multiple functions which you can sync the three devices. Cost like $200 and pretty decent. So just let me read that. Then has this unified Bluetooth and other things. So maybe you guys miss earlier. These are supported ones. Then talk about the dial for video editing. This side is just the keyboard where, okay, let's look at this side also. Yeah, there are a bunch of details here. Maybe I'll just skip this. Let's open this nicely here. Okay. Okay. So it should be two sides of it. Ta-da! Okay. Focus this. Okay. It has this little plastic, so I'll take it out. Or maybe I should take. Yeah, getting bigger for the keyboard. Oh, this is not too bad for the lightness. Then it comes with. Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's put this away. So it has this number key right here. Then it has a number key, enter, then 1249. This is standard keyboard, English ones, but also it has this. See, I'll take it out. There's number that has a Japanese, so you can see a Japanese alphabet and also English. And these are standard ABC. Then there's a function key on the top. So usually function key, just press FN, then type in function key. So let's look at the other things. So it has the dongle, which is USB dongles. Okay, like this. Okay. So this is 2.4 gigahertz signal. Then other one is the charger, which is a cable, USB-C type. Then a long 10 meter. So it's long enough for connect to your keyboard and charge it. Then also functional that way. You don't need to use Bluetooth to do the operational part of the keyboard, I think. Then this is the insurance. So this maybe I'll just open later. Check it out first, maybe. So it's in Japanese. Has this. The first guide basically tells you the option and just dial. So it's just go to this website, then just sign up. Then you can turn on the power on the side. Then there is a key which you can set for your device. You can set one keyboard for one PC, so Mac and Windows. Then if you have phones or something, then you can set the device to the Bluetooth. So multiple devices connected. And unify Bluetooth, which is you can use the dongle, then you can just use that way. But I think you just use the Bluetooth signal, so you can sync 3 devices wirelessly instead of using dongle. So there are 4 ways to do it: Bluetooth and a dongle, which is one is come with it. Then also USB. So that's 3 ways. Three ways to connect it to it. So let's put this away. Then open this thing. Okay. So okay, I'll just put this a little bit. Okay. All right. So now I have a nice look. The size is good. I can feel like, I already like the mechanical keyboard that I got before. Actually a little bit higher. It's a low profile, but it is expensive. Also, I'll check the videos below. I'll talk about that later on. But anyway, so I like this. Let's open this. So we just grab this, okay, and take. Peel this, I guess. Oh, maybe I don't need to take. Yeah, just peel it. Okay. Yeah, whoa, I love it. Yeah, I know I love it because this keyboard is, you can type great, faster, feel great, and it's not too big, then neat, and also this kind of love it. So that's, I already love it. Hopefully I love it. So anyway, so this is the first impression. I just wanted to show you. I will check the functional part later on, then see like if I like it or not. I think I like it. It's number of keyboard here. Then it has the okay. Let me show you another keyboard quick. So this keyboard is very similar keyboard I think it's called Logitech 318. I've been using it for 1 year. Then it has multiple key, 1, 2, 3. Then you can connect to the devices. Multiple devices is useful, but actually there's a software called Synergy. I made a video for it, so I'll attach to that, and you can check it out and see. If you're interested in using Synergy, actually it's better than using this. Also, Logitech comes with the software similar to Synergy, but actually Synergy has been out there for a long time and there not much bug in it. So you can sync to the Mac and Windows and transfer files and copy paste it to it and stuff like that is much easier. I mean, both can do it, but actually Logitech software, I heard there are so many bugs, so sometimes it doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, this keyboard I recommend it for fast typing and also when you travel. I think it's best keyboard out there. It's quite decent keyboard where compared to other ones that little bit too small. This is like a mid-size for most of people can use. This one can use it for, well, in a sense for Windows keyboard, but also you just figured out the Alt command, that's the Mac. Then all these are the type that, yeah, this is one thing I didn't like was like after a year, the letter is fade off. So this, I think this thing, it doesn't, hopefully it doesn't, because the light, it will light up, so I don't think these are, it will be fade off these characters. So that's one thing that I really didn't like about this keyboard, but I still use it because I don't really need to remember all these characters pretty much without looking at it. I can type it now, so all I need to do is just maybe paint it on top of the keyboard and still can use it. You know, it's not that long time ago, so I've been using it less than a year, so okay. Okay, I hope you liked it, and this is first impression. Please subscribe to channel if it is think this is useful. I'm doing a tech review, maybe sometime, you know, any kind of things like trouble and stuff like that. Maybe if you're interested, you know, next time you can have a look at it. Alright then, ciao. Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'd like to introduce the Logicool Keyboard. This is one of the... Hi guys, I promise you this is not another gaming keyboard, but I'm sure that most of you have realized that with the intro. Without any further ado, I'd like to introduce you guys the Craft Keyboard by Logitech. This is a complete package for creating professionals who are looking for their interactive experience with respects work from next level.